The festive season is upon us, and that only means one thing: lots of family gatherings and lots of food. So today I'll be sharing with you a firm family favorite, which is Nigerian party jollof rice. Correct jollof rice. Let's get started. First thing we're going to do is create our chicken stock. I've got some chicken drumsticks here that I'm going to be boiling with some spices, and then we're going to go ahead and fry these a bit later on and serve them with our rice. We are going to season our chicken. I'm using half a teaspoon of salt, some paprika, garlic powder, and some chicken seasoning. Then I'm going to go ahead and add some water and allow this to cook on a medium heat for about 15 minutes. So here I've got some tomatoes, garlic, sweet pointed red peppers, Scotch bonnet, and some red bell pepper. I'm going to go ahead and roast these in the oven. It's going to give our rice that extra smoky flavor that we're looking for. Now the chicken is done, I'm going to go ahead and separate it from the chicken stock, and it's ready to fry. So the pepper mix is ready to hit the blender. It smells so fragrant, it's nicely charred, and we're definitely going to get that hint of smokiness in our jollof rice. So now we are ready to put together the jollof rice, starting with one large onion. And so this is the pan that I used to fry my chicken. I've left just enough oil to cook the base for my jollof. Go ahead and fry my onion. So to season, bay leaves, curry powder, jollof seasoning, some thyme, and finally some salt. Head with some tomato paste. Now I'm going to add the pepper mix. So here I've got some washed rice. I'm going to go ahead and add this to my pan. I add some chicken stock. So you're going to close this and cook this for about 20 to 25 minutes. Say hello, my little helper in the kitchen. Hi. So see you when it's done. So the jollof rice is done, and it's time to serve it up. So good.